Did you know Ramayana is not just a story but a guide to life? In just 1 minute, let's learn 3 powerful life lessons from Ramayana. Number 1. Always stand by dharma, righteousness. Lord Rama gave up his throne to keep his father's promise. This teaches us, doing the right thing is always more important than personal gain. Number 2. Ego leads to destruction. Ravana was a great scholar, but his arrogance led to his downfall. Lesson: no matter how powerful you are, pride will destroy everything. Number 3. Choose the right people. Vibhishan left Ravana and joined Rama because he chose righteousness over family. Remember, the company you keep decides your future. Ramayan's wisdom is timeless. Which lesson inspired you the most? Comment below. Like and follow for more life-changing lessons.